Hello everybody, this is Brandon Railway 6920. I'm coming at you with another video today. Today I will be reviewing the Bachmann Alco 260 with DCC sound value. This locomotive is a very nice locomotive. I just got it in the mail today. It is custom painted for Brandon Railway, but they do have Lackawanna, Union Pacific, and Canadian National, and a couple others. This one I got from Micromark, but it is Bachmann, HO scale, decent pulling power. I'll go ahead and turn things on here and give you a quick look. There is no startup sound, and just like the video I did before with the Alco S4, the 260, the lighting is directional. But the forward light will not turn off. It will just go dim when in reverse. I have not programmed this to a different channel yet. It is still on the factory channel 3. You can see my Florida East Coast sitting in the background there. A couple of the functions are obviously you can shut the light on and off. A nice bell. Long horn, short horn, and I believe that's when it's blowing down at the end of the day or whatever. There's reverse. You can see the light dim. Like I said, it will not shut off, just like the Alco S4. Right now it has 12 cars on it. I think they only recommend 10, but this locomotive will pull 12. A nice prototypical chuff. And I am not very high on the throttle yet, so you can see it's got a nice slow speed control. It is just a bit shaky because I don't even have it broke in yet. I haven't run this locomotive for maybe 10 minutes. They do suggest about an hour of running to break it in. And I'd say maybe a tenth of the way on throttle. Wrong switch there. Trying to send it out and around where the little bit of a grade is, so you can see how it works around the grade. Like I said in the previous video, I think this is close to a 1% or 1.5% grade. I'm not sure because I really didn't build this layout. I just got it for free and have been adding on to it. But in my opinion, this Alco 260 is a good buy. MSRP I believe is $349, but I got it through Micromark for $119, so not a bad price at all, really. I guess it really just depends on what you're looking for. Like I said, 12 cars behind this. I am not very high on the throttle, and it seems to be pulling just fine on my little layout. The reason I got it was for an excursion train, and I have heard that these will pull 5, maybe 6 medium-sized passenger cars. But being that it is pulling these 12 cars around the layout just fine, I can imagine it might pull more, depending on what scale or what size cars you're using. Medium-sized cars, lifelikes are lightweight. It might pull 8 of them. I'm not sure. But I will definitely be posting a video later of this train when I have the excursion ready. I'm just waiting on decals on this one. Brandon Railway will be on the side of the tender. Throttle up a little more. The speaker on this locomotive is in the tender. Obviously there's not much room left in the boiler after you put the motor and the sound card in, so it is complete and ready to run right out of the box. Nice locomotive in my opinion. So I will be doing another video here in the next day or two with the Florida East Coast SD70 Ace. It is a Walthers mainline, but I will leave any more information on that for when I do that video. So hope to see you guys back soon. Brandon Railway 6920 signing off.